Right, so COS made this post, as you can see, 14 hours ago, giving an update about the Secretary of Information, Dr. Agie, that because people were asking where has she been, she's no longer coming up and all that. Nobody knows her whereabouts. She's unreachable. Then yesterday, COS have to give update to clear air on that. As you can see here, 13th of June, June 13, 2025. Resignation. Greetings, Biafrans and the media. This is to notify Biafrans that Dr. Agie, the Secretary of Information and Telecommunication and Postal Services of the United States of Biafra, USB Biafran Republic Government in Exile Brigade, de facto has resigned her position effective June, that is when the whole thing started, June 11, 2025. The deputy the Deputy Honorable Tochi, that is the Tochi happened to be her deputy all this while. Someone like me, I didn't know that, and I don't even know much about like I don't see her often. Anyway, let's continue. Deputy Honorable Tochi Mwane hereby resume the position of the Secretary of Information. Please let us all accord Honorable Tochi the help needed at this time. Thanks, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, DPM and COS, United States of Biafra. Now, please, before we go in details, because there's a reason why I am bringing this to us. Honestly, I don't plan to report this, but I saw a poll from Akparawa, their own reaction in jubilation and celebration. So that pushed me to, report this. Okay. Why is because people who claim they love you, not that they love you, they want Biafra. They are the one mocking and laughing at themselves when somebody resigns. You don't even know why she resigned. Nobody know. She did not stated that, but they cooked up a reason for her, and they are now running with that excuses. So, without waste much of your time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, give us a time so that we can go through this, Akparawa's reaction. Like I know we decided to start with the post itself. So you have seen what she has said. There's nothing harmful, nothing suspicious, nothing whatsoever in what she said here, right? Then the response or the reaction of Akparawa and their camp will interest you. So here is the short clip of Akparawa. They tried to copy some things, interesting parts of the conversation between within USB activities or social media. Maybe probably on fundraising, or maybe I think this should be in maybe question and answer, or during the time of fundraising, something like that. So he just to copy those things and add it with pictures of CS and Dr. Agie and PM, of course. Combine all those things just to push a narrative, and we're going to go through that video in a jiffy. But like I said, the intention is to mock, the intention is to destabilize, the intention is to talk down on Biafrans and mock USB, just because in their own shallow mind, in their own little brain, they believe that tearing other people down is a way of elevating themselves, while ignoring what people actually want, which is truth and honesty, diligence and respect, and seriousness with element of respect, but they don't have that at all. It's not in them, it's out of the window. So let's hear this from Akparawa.
I am Pastor Anekan Thomas.
No, let me take it back from the beginning.
What is your name? What is your name?
I am Pastor Anekan Thomas.
What is your phone number?
No,
let's yes, sir. Okay. You want to give it to me? I mean, email. You want to give me your phone number because I need that information.
Yes. Yes, 080 3213 3745.
Okay. Wait, Diana. Thank you so much. I got it.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. And I'm going to use this opportunity for those of you at home. Just know that when you log in here, your face is showing to the world. And whatever information you share here is to the world. Just like so that we'll be covered. Thank you.
Yes.
And again, I want to let them know there's nothing to fear about. It is our home. We are now a nation. We cannot continue to walk under hiding. We cannot, the time we hide, what we do is gone. As a nation, right now, we are going to be showing our faces. We're going to confront these enemies, and we are going to take over our land. It is our land. It is our right to do so. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Next question.
Please,
okay, go ahead.
Please, how will I get?
Now let's go through the
What's your name? What is your
the title of Akparawa on this video. Okay, this Akparawa. He said Dr. Agie has run away, abandoned Ngozi, bringing lawsuit too heavy. Now, the resignation has nothing to do with the lawsuit. But if it does, let Agie come out and inform you that that is why she resigned. So I don't think it has to do with what is it called, your lawsuit. And if this lawsuit, you guys are making it look so weak, I'm being honest. Like, even if if let's assume that me here, that somehow I am afraid of, oh, what will become of CS, or maybe you guys will put her in problem, or maybe something is fishy, maybe something is serious about it. Do you know that your reaction on social media, the way you guys are going about this lawsuit, making it look like a big thing, is actually showing to me you are somehow giving me a kind of some sense of reason that this thing you are doing, it doesn't have anything to offer. Like, it is weak and it doesn't hold anything, because you are the one announcing the how powerful and how strong it is. Why don't you allow the lawsuit to speak for himself? But who am I? All of you know that now. All of you know that you guys are not offering anything. Just that you are. This is who you are. You love to brag on everything, whereas those things that you are bragging about has nothing to offer. It doesn't have anything to offer, because if it does, you will not be talking about it the way you are talking about it now. Because every now and then, lawsuit to lawsuit, Dabiri is a special person. Dabiri is Superman. Dabiri and Elias, may God bless the day you guys were born. I have seen all those things. But remember, Dabiri fought, according to you guys reading the history and the biography of Dabiri, you made it clear to us that Dabiri challenged a lot of, represent countries of the world, many countries, and defended them and fought for them and do this and do that. But I have not seen any lawsuit, like you shared the lawsuit that you sued with the court case file and everything. I have not seen you sharing any case file of Dabiri suing Nigerian government in any court of the world, like in any law court at all. I have not seen that. I have not seen, the court case of Dabiri and Nigerian government. At least even if it's not about, for any other thing, since fall back and everything, since you guys is representing Biafra as you claim, you should have sued Nigerian government for kidnapping mass can at least start from there, or maybe sue Nigerian government to counter sue Nigerian government that claim that Biafrans are terrorists, or maybe anything at all. But it's not possible. We have to go through a lot of push or begging for you guys to do that. But it is so easy for you to sue Biafrans and bragging about it and keep making lists. Oh, we need the address and the name of these people. So my people, disregard this fake news. Yes, Dr. Agie has resigned. She is no longer with USB. But the way they are celebrating it, and it's not true, that I don't believe, this is my own opinion, I don't believe that she resigned because of lawsuit. Okay, because this is not the first time they rumored it. Even before the lawsuit, they keep on saying that she want to go, she want to go because she have other engagement, many other things. According to what they said, I'm not cooking up stories. I'm telling you what they used to say before now. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.